Hello class 7. Today I will explain another interesting chapter of your computer book. This is the second chapter of your book. The name of this chapter is Transferring of Data. In this chapter we will learn primary storage device, secondary storage media and saving file on pen drive, saving file on CD. We already know that various devices on which we can store data. What is data? Data is a fact and statistics collected together for reference of analysis. The primary device is hard disk and secondary storage devices are required when we want to store our work outside the computer. Secondary storage device media are floppy disk, CD-ROM, pen drive, USB hard disk. Okay class, one by one all things will run in front of you by explain so that you will understand easily. First of all, floppy disk. What is floppy disk? A floppy disk inside a plastic cover that is used to store data and that can be removed from the computer. And second one is CD-ROM. A compact disk on which large amount of information, sound and pictures can be stored. ROM stands for read-only memory. Third is DVD, a digital versatile disk on which large amount of information, especially photographs and video can be stored. Next, zip drive. When we want something removed, we can use this. It is a removable hard drive that can be added to computer system for added storage capability. A zip drive writes data to a zip disk which can be used like a floppy disk but with 100 MB of storage space. Next, pen drive. A small pen size device that can be used to easily transfer files between USB compatible system. We all know that we can use to save file in it. Next, burning data. Recording of sequence of track or set of data on a blank CD in red book format. Let's learn how to save our work on a pen drive. We will follow many steps to saving the file on pen drive. First of all, we will insert a pen drive in a USB port of our computer and then right click the file that we want to save on the pen drive. A drop down menu appears. Click on copy. Now double click on my computer icon. A window open up with all the drives installed on our computer and double click on the icon showing the pen drive. Now a window open and show the existing content. Right click anywhere a menu appears, select paste. The file that will be copied gets transferred onto our pen drive. Next, now we will discuss how can we save file on a CD. It is essential to keep a backup of the data we feed into our computer. If the computer crashes, all the data is lost. So save the all file on the CD. Special software like Express, Burn, Neuro, Pyro, Roxio, Creator, etc. is required. CD is burning software makes copying important data easy and fast. Saving file onto CD by following many steps. First, double click on the CD. Write a program Neuro icon on the desktop. It opens a window. Then select CD from the drop down menu that appears on the top and then click on a Make Data CD. Next, a Pyro Express Essential dialog box open up. Click on Add, then a dialog box open. Files are located in it. Select one or more files that we want to copy the CD. Click on Add. Once we have added the file, click on Close. After that, the selected files get copied, ready to burn. onto the CD. Click on next. Check the two boxes given. Will verify once our data is burned onto the CD and will allow we to add data later the same CD. Click on burn and burning process start. When burning process is complete, a message will indicate the successful completion the process. Click on OK. Our CD automatically comes out. Click on next, then click on close button to close the application. This way we will save file onto the CD. Okay, class 7, your chapter is over. I hope you all understand this chapter. Copy the given assignment and learn it. Thank you.